So for the next topic, we do study the cumulative distribution function. So basically cumulative distribution function is the probability that takes the value for random variable x, x or less than x, and it is usually denoted by capital F of x. Basically cumulative distribution function for discrete random variable is given by capital F of x. We can see here capital F of x equals to P of capital X less than or equals to x equal to summation x less than or equals to xi and P of xi. So cumulative distribution of continuous random variable is given by f of x P of x less than or equals to x from minus infinity to x fx dx. So here are some properties for cumulative distribution function, and we see that for a function to be cumulative distribution function, either the properties are satisfied, or if the function is cumulative distribution function, then the following holds. So f of minus infinity is d0 and f of x is a non-decreasing function. जैसे कि x1 अगर f2 से छोटा है तो f of x1 is also less than f of x2. For a discontinuous variable for a discontinuous variable which is lying between a and b, p of x equals to f of b minus f of a equals to the summation of pf xi from a to b. And for a continuous continuous variable, we see that p of x which is greater than a and less than or equals to b, or p of x which is less than or equal to a and less than or equals to b. Again, it can be less than or equal to, which is greater than or equal to a and less than b, or we can say that x less than b and less than a equals to f of b minus f of a equals to integral of f of x between the limits a to b. Now moving further for some examples.